In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a paid Telegram channel. If you want to monetize exclusive content on Telegram, this setup is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process clearly so you can create a private channel that requires a monthly fee before members can join and view your content. To begin, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to create the channel, since the paid channel will be tied to that profile. Once you're inside Telegram, start by creating a new channel. Look for the option that says New Channel and tap on it. Telegram will then take you to the setup screen where you can begin entering your channel details. Now, type in the name of your channel. Choose a name that clearly tells people what your content is about, especially if you plan to promote it publicly. Under that, add a description. This is a good place to explain what subscribers will receive, how often you plan to post, or what makes the channel worth joining. A clear description can help potential members understand the value of the subscription. Next, when Telegram asks you to choose the channel type, select Private Channel. This is important because paid access is designed to work through a private invite link rather than a public channel that anyone can browse freely. After the channel has been created, open the channel settings. This is where you'll manage the access options. Inside the settings, find and tap Invite Links. Telegram allows you to create different invite links, and this is the section where the paid access option becomes available. From there, tap Create a New Link. As you set up the new invite link, you should see an option labeled Require Monthly Fee. Turn that toggle on to enable paid access for this invite link. Once it's enabled, set the amount in stars that members will need to pay each month. Choose the monthly star amount carefully based on the value of your content and how accessible you want the subscription to be for your audience. After that, tap Create to finish generating the paid invite link. At that point, your paid Telegram channel setup is complete. Anyone using that invite link will need to subscribe before they can access your content inside the private channel. That's the full process for creating a paid Telegram channel. If you're building a premium community, sharing exclusive updates, or offering subscriber-only content, this feature can be a simple way to manage access directly within Telegram.